How to send money with PayPal internationally. So first what you want to do is just go to your PayPal account right here. Make sure that you're logged in. And once you're here, you simply need to click on send right here. And you'll bring you to this page. Now you simply need to input the name or the username, the email or the mobile number. So here I'm just going to input the name, just like so. And click on the person that you want to send the money to. So I'm just going to input the amount that I want to send. So let's say I want to send 1,000 pesos, and this converts to $26 or Australian dollars. So PayPal automatically converts the currency on whether what country the recipient is in. And for this case, it's on Australian dollars. And here you simply need to type in international payment, just like so. Click on next. And here you will pick from these two. So for goods and services, get the full refund if an eligible item gets lost or damaged, and seller pays a small fee. So if you're doing this for like a transaction or a payment, I suggest that you use this so that you can have a full refund if in case something happens. But if you're sending it for a friend or a family member, you could do this. But just a reminder that this doesn't have buyer protection. So if something happens to your money, you won't get a refund or it's not eligible for a full refund. So I suggest that you use the for goods and services option, then click on continue. And once you're here, you simply need to add a payment option. Once that's done, click on send. And to view your payment, you just simply need to go to activity and all of the recent transactions will be seen here. And that's basically it.